Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable DLSS 4 on your Dell Aurora Alienware 16 laptop. So, in order to enable DLSS globally, we're gonna need to install the NVIDIA app, which you can install from the official NVIDIA website. Just search for NVIDIA app using your web browser and search engine of your preference. Open the official NVIDIA website, click download now. Then once this program is downloaded, you have to run the installation file and then go through the quick installation process. Open this application. First of all, make sure that you have the newest driver installed on your computer, so go to the drivers tab and make sure to install the latest game ready driver. Then go to graphics tab, go to global settings, and here you will immediately see the DLSS override settings. So we have the model presets, and to change the values for model presets we can either use 3D app settings. If you want to override the settings, select recommended or custom values and then select the preset that you want to use, or just go with the recommended ones. Then in the very same way we can also override frame generation mode. You can either use dynamic or fixed frame generation, and super resolution mode. And as you can see, we have quality, balance, performance, ultra performance, or custom super resolution mode. And here you have to enter the input resolution in using percentage. And that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.